what we do here is go back.
So guys, it's been a very, very difficult, what can I say, maybe a week. I think it's been a week I've uploaded the video for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra giveaway. But yeah, it's been a very, very hard week and a couple of days. Well, not even that, it's because it's just, I never thought the video was going to hit 1K. I put my hands down, I did not know the video was going to hit 1K. But if it was, and if it did, I was prepared. Because at the end of the day, it's a giveaway and you guys support me so much on the channel. You like the video, you watch the video. I know I'm not that big yet and I don't have a lot of subscribers or anything like that, but you support me a lot. And it's really, really good. I absolutely adore and enjoy and really, I'm so happy that I have people watching my videos and actually liking my videos. It's very, very nice. It's a very nice feeling. But yeah, like I said, the video hit at 1K I think yesterday, and I was like, okay, wow, I actually have to pick a winner. I'm like, whoa, this is really happening. It's amazing. I mean, it's not the first time I've done a giveaway, but it's the first time I've done a giveaway on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and especially the pricing of the device. I'm like, whoa, it's a very, very expensive device. It's like, you know what, okay. Well, yeah, yesterday I was doing my research, looking at everyone that met the criteria of the entry, of how to give, of the way to be able to enter to give the phone away to one of you guys. First of all, you have to be subscribed 100%. So checked out all my subscriptions, and no, actually what I did first, well, you have to be subscribed, you have to follow my social media, which is my Instagram, my my personal Instagram account, and my YouTube channel, YouTube account. And also you have to be following me on Facebook as well. But yeah, so what I did was I went on my Facebook. First of all, my Facebook page, I had a look and picked out every single name that was that new followers that followed my my page, and also the old ones as well, because the old ones watch my videos as well. Did that, and then I went on Instagram. I looked at both of my Instagram profiles, and I picked out the ones that have subscribed, no, that have followed and liked my post as well, and basically kept active. And I matched up with my Facebook, and then I went to YouTube, looked at my subscribers, and I picked out a lot of people. There was a lot of people that entered this giveaway, and I would say it was around like 200 people, and I had to narrow that all the way down to just one. From 200 to 300 people to just one. And trust me, that is very, very hard. I had to go in, I had to dive in deeper and see who's been active on the social medias, who's been liking the pictures, who's been commenting, who's been on Instagram, subscribing, even commenting on my videos that I was uploading before this video. Just wanted to see who was really involved in the whole procedure of trying to win this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And yeah, got to one person to win it. So yeah, it was very, very hard. It was a hard decision, I'll tell you guys that now. If your name is not mentioned, please, no hard feelings, because you've got to think about it. From 200 to 300 people to just one. So yeah, anyway, what I've done is got this bucket. It's a Serious Gains bucket. Obviously I go to the gym and stuff, so yeah, it's empty. So I thought, you know what I'll do is put like the top 10 people on a paper, wrote them down, and what I've done is folded it up and put it all in here. So 10 people are in here. What I'm gonna do is shake the box around and literally do a lucky dip, because I'm not gonna say, okay, this is the person that's won it, because then that's not fair to me. I feel like that's not fair. So I'd rather do it blindly, so then it's not like I'm picking this person over this person, if that makes sense. But yeah, I got 10 people in a piece of paper in here. I've put it all in here. I've shaked it around. I'm gonna do the same again before I put my hands into pick someone's name out to win the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I'm so excited, very, very excited. But yeah, anyway, before I do that, I just want to let you guys know, because there was so many entry and so many of you guys were keeping up to date with my social media and my channel, what I'm going to do is buy another Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and give it away again, because the support and the love I got from that giveaway was just amazing. 1K view on that video was just absolutely amazing. So yeah, I'll give this one away to one of you guys in this bucket, and I will buy another Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra out of my own pocket to give to you guys, just to say thank you and just to, you know, to appreciate everything that obviously you guys, you know, did, and, you know, support and all that stuff. So yeah, so recap, gonna pick a winner, get another Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and give it away to you guys as again. So, but if you want to be entered for that giveaway, then you have to stay tuned to the end of the video. So I'll give you the rules that you have to follow so you can win the next Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra giveaway. Anyway, let's get this going. I know you guys are very excited. You guys, I know you're waiting so patiently. So yeah, anyway, let me stop blabbing on and just get on with it. Anyway, as you can see, there's a lot of paper in there. 10 people has a chance to win the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So yeah, anyway, let me open it up. And I feel so cocky doing this. Oh my god, I feel so bad because not everyone can win it. Okay, right, let me give it a little shake. I'm not looking at all. I'm just gonna dive in. I'm gonna just ravage around. Oh my days. Before I open this and read out who's won this, I just want to say, no hard feelings to the people or the person that the names are not called. This has been, I don't know, this is probably the biggest giveaway I've ever done, the most expensive giveaway I've ever done. So yeah, anyway, let's see who's it gonna be. I'm excited. Okay. Okay, so the person that's won the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra giveaway is, are you guys ready? The person that's won it is Fred Smith. So yeah, Fred Smith, thanks for entering the giveaway. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for supporting the social media. I really, really do appreciate it. But yeah, Fred Smith, I'm gonna shoot you a DM on Instagram, and please reply so I can send it to you. If you don't reply, then I have to obviously give it out to someone else, and I don't want to do that because you're the lucky winner. You're the lucky person I picked. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot you a DM. If I haven't done it and you're watching this and you've seen that you won it, shoot me a DM and we will change details and I will get the phone sent straight out to you. But yeah guys, I just want to say thank you guys so much for participating in the giveaway. Appreciate all the help, all the love, all that stuff. And yeah, anyway, for the next giveaway, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, if you want to win that as well, then you have to again get this video to 1,000 views, 100 likes. You know what, let's push it a little bit further. Let's get 2K views on this video, 200 likes, and also you have to be subscribed as well. You have to share the video. You also have to like my social media and follow my social media, Instagram, so my personal and my channel, YouTube channel, Instagram, and also you need to be following me on Facebook as well. Keep active because it's gonna be real. It's gonna be absolutely awesome. All the links will be down below where you have to follow and do your stuff. And yeah, anyway, Fred Smith, well done. You're the lucky winner. Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to keep supporting me by smashing that like button, subscribing, turning your post notifications on so you don't miss out on whenever I upload a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.